I'm going to show you how to make a portable install and how to install the very cool extensions SWS and ReaPack. So the first thing I need to do is have what they call this, an Explorer window, I think, in Windows. I'm not really a Windows person. I'm going to make a new folder. I've already done one portable install, but I'm going to make another one because there's really no limit to the amount of portable installs you can have. So I'm going to make a new folder here. I'm going to call this ReaPack portable install. Let's call this one B. Okay, so that's the folder. Then I need to go to my browser of choice, and I'm going to go to reaper.fm, and I'm going to download the latest version of Reaper. So in this case for Windows, and that's going to download there, and I'm going to find it. I'm going to double click here, and I'm going to agree. And now normally I would just click next, but we want to check off this portable install thing, and then we want to browse to the folder we just made on the desktop. So I'm going to find my desktop, which is underneath my account. Desktop portable install B. I'm going to choose that. And let's see, you can see that, I think, right? Okay, so I've chosen my account, desktop portable install B, and I'm going to click OK. And so now it's going to install it into there. So now I'm going to hit next. And that is good. Install. So now it's putting all those files into that folder. And I'm going to close that. Do I want to run it? Good question. Sure, I want to run it once. I put in the interface that I want to use. Yeah, so yes, I want to use the ASIO in my case, and I want to use the Mackie ASIO drivers. Your case may differ. And we know this is a portable install because it's asking me for the license, even though my other version, I have purchased it, but I'll deal with that later. Okay, we're going to quit this for now, and we're going to go back to our browser, and we're going to go to two different websites. We're going to do, actually, I'm just going to Google this. SWS space Reaper. And what I want is I want to end up on this site. So www.sws-extension.org. And I want to download, in my case, the x64. I think most of you are running Windows are going to be 64-bit. So I'm going to download that. I'm going to open that up. And this, I think I just want to double click it. And it's going to allow, so let's see, I want to make sure I put this in my new folder. So I'm going to say yes, agree. Okay, this is where I want to change it. So installation folder, I want to move it to that same folder. So on my desktop, portable B, and install it into that. And then make sure you can hear the OK. And next. Yep. Okay, I think it's done. And then finally, we want to go to ReaPack. So ReaPack.com. 64-bit Windows. So I'm downloading that. This, I think I might have to manually put it into the folder. So, oh, actually, I can copy it, can't I? So I'm going to right-click and actually cut it. Doesn't really matter, I guess, in this case. Cut it, go to the desktop, as installation B. And what I want to find is user plugins. And I'll double-click to open that up. There's already the SWS, and I just want to right-click here and paste that other file in here. Okay, now I think we're ready to go. So I'm going to go back up to here, and I'm going to run this version of Reaper. So not the one that I have installed down here on the bottom, which you can't see, but I want to use this one. So in other words, not that one there, but this one in the portable install. And if I've done everything right, we should see some extensions. Let me make this a little bigger. Okay, good. So two things have happened. I've gotten this, and if you see now, there's extensions where we never had that before. So I'm going to click OK on that. All right, so now I want to install two scripts that are really cool. So I'm going to come down to, oh, interesting. ReaPack is up here. On the Mac, it's on the bottom. Anyways, I'm going to browse the package in ReaPack, and I'm going to just type in the author's, I don't know, author's handle is cool, C-O-O-L, and I want these two scripts. So I'm just selecting one and then holding down my Shift key, selecting the other one. I'm clicking on Actions and Install. And there's little dots there now. So I'm going to apply, and it's going to install those. It's going to tell me what they do. And you should watch the demo video on how to do the homework assignment, but we just want to test this to make sure it works okay. So I'm going to go back to the browser. I'm going to go to the page, the class page. So we're just going to find that Amen break, and I'm going to download that. Now, it's important that I open this up in the right way. So this is zipped, so I'm just going to double click it. Okay, so I have this folder. Let's copy this folder and move it to the desktop. So let's just paste it onto the desktop here. Great. Okay, now that'll be easier to find. So now I'm going to go to File, Open Project, Desktop, Amen break, and opened it here inside of my portable install. Okay, that's promising. Let's see what it sounds like. Actually, let's make sure the volume's not crazy loud. Turn the volume down a little bit. See if it sounds like anything. Okay, good. It's playing. Okay, so now let's go into the actions, show actions list. And if I type in, let's see, is it slice? Yeah, okay, slice. So I'm going to type slice. Here we go. And I am going to just randomize this once to see what happens. Yeah, so it's definitely working. So follow along on the follow along on the instruction video to complete the homework assignment.